reporting ku PDM and the successful stories of the PDM amongst the media. Organic, we thank the NRM government and the president for issuing billions of money in the country Uganda. Times the parishes we have in the country, each parish has this amount of money. The government has dished this in the community. And the changes that we've seen under PDM program are so and so and so. Ono yali pega tacha beginga. Ono yali nga mwana ne public kumachanga saba kameza tacha kamwana. Ono yali nga afusa no public anaku tacha no kwanga is now having a living. Through the PDM, media etegeza reporting ku bibyoka. Kalunga. Are we supposed, because he has said, oh no, yes, I understand but is it how we are trained? I think at times people need to get the positive side of the story. Parish chief w'enjiri bamukuteka alideseteza PDM. Mumukono tulina ba parish chiefs kyenda mu musanvu. But what to put on more babiri nga baziride? Why don't you again speak about the 95 abataziride? Lwaki yogera biri negative? Speak about abana betuzalisa 25 kwasatu mu abatano mu General Hospital. Yogera ku the quality of the gynecologists that we have in the General Hospital. Advocate for it. Osanga omuntu bw'anasoma ku side entuufu enchana kama mbadde sijja kubawanga lotale ne katika college. Because you're seeing what the General Hospital is doing for the community of Mukono and the Greater Mukono. However much president atukulemberedde emyaka ana naye yatusanga tetulina kino na kino as we hear. Naye mu myaka ana asobola okuleeta kino na kino. But this would be our recommendation. I think it is also news. Are we doing news? Are we on media to incite those people? I think we are doing news for the people that are taking it up. Because even the intelligent people read news and understand. I'm sorry, I might have gone far, but for me I think you can do the positive side of the story and you bring the negative side of the story. You can be an advocacy for the good things in the district. Like I always told this kind of guy here, why do you call me to go over the radio? Instead of okuletera abamawulire bonna batulega RDC ayogera nkubulire nti ku manifesto ya party gyenjogerera we have achieved 70%. Given the remaining period up to May, we shall have delivered to this tune. Katinabo obulire nti omulala gw'oleseeno wajjero mukabali nanakubulire their expectations ku manifesto yange zaali zino bwanchekinga alabangaza atadeliveransi era naye akwe reasons to why alabangaza atakoze eki nokemugambe nti we are the implementer. Now we have to check the policy. You're not supposed to implement a manifesto which you didn't support, because when you are implementing it like the PDM and Nyoka. Which one to be later, they say it's a political program. Katata bebadi to them with district. Bebadi implementing. Do you think they are implementing in good faith?